Now, women are using contraceptives at early ages and increasingly choosing effective, long-acting contraceptive methods. Contraceptive use remains steady for women, and unintended birth and unmet needs are gradually declining. This is according to a report highlighting the use of contraceptives as the world marks the World Population Day today. However, donor funding to support the family planning is reducing, putting pressure on such operations. It is estimated that 214 million women in developing countries lack access to quality family planning methods.
These investments that we have put in, we have the fear of them being eroded if we do not make smart investment in family planning. There has been sustained decline in investment in family planning in the country as far as the donor contribution. Previously, the donor participation was almost universal in family planning.
Unfortunately, in developing regions, still 214 million women has no access to the high-quality family planning.
About 53% of current married women are using modern methods of family planning. This means that a majority of women continue to appreciate the benefits of planning their families. There is concern on a wide disparity in family planning uptake at counties and within counties, ranging from as low as 2%. That is in Mandera County, the percentage is still at a very low. It's at 2%. I don't know if it's their belief or their culture or their religion. And then we have other counties, such as Kirinyaga, which is at 80%.